In this video, I'm going to explain how to delete PU Prime account. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that you can't actually delete an account yourself. So there's nothing you can do inside here, inside the dashboard settings, the account settings, stuff like that, to actually be able to delete your account. And also, PU Prime is not able to delete or deactivate your account either. So there's just one thing you have to do to get your account deactivated and deleted, and that is the following. For MT4 accounts and for MT5 accounts, the accounts that have no login history, no trading history, and the account balance, which is basically zero, will automatically be archived in these conditions when basically 90 days go by. Okay, so in case you actually haven't had any activity with your account for at least 90 days and there's no funds on there, then your account is going to be archived and your account is going to be deleted. And that's actually the only way to get your account deleted on here on PU Prime. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.